This dual CS 505-4 was returned to a thrift store as broken. But after a quick look, I had a hunch it wasn't dead, just misunderstood. Released begin 1990s, the dual CS 505 was part of Germany's push for high-quality, affordable belt drive turntables. It wasn't as flashy as a Technics SL1200, but it had a cult following for its warm sound and minimalist design. Back in the day, this turntable cost 498 Deutsch Mark, which sounds like monopoly money to anyone under 40. 498 Deutsch Mark in 1990 equals 250 euros today. But adjusted for inflation, over 500 euros. In 1990, 450 Deutsch Marks could buy you 5 Game Boys, plus 10 games, or 1/3 of a Trabant car. Yes, the cardboard-powered East German legend. Let's see if this audiophile turntable was worth the gamble. Let's plug it in. Oh, and always remember to connect the ground wire too. Okay then, let's give it a spin. Ah yes, the rare drunken jazz setting. Without strobe markings, it's harder to see the speed issue. But trust me, hear that? And if I switch to 45, it gets slower? That's not how physics works. Time for some vintage tech surgery. Pro tip: if you're doing this at home, be gentle, these old plastics get brittle. Well, look at this sad little belt. Someone replaced the belt badly. This thing's so loose, it's practically decorative. Watch those fingers, no sudden moves. Oops, we don't want to snap a 30-year-old pulley. A bit of fiddling with the new belt. Now, belts are supposed to sit snug around the motor spindle and inner platter like a perfectly fitted hat. This one, not too tight, not too loose, just right. Look at that. It's almost like turntables need the right parts to work. Now, let's put this thing back together. And fingers crossed. Well, that's the sound of a turntable that remembers its purpose in life. No more drunken karaoke. Is this the perfect turntable? Nah. If you're a speed freak, you'll miss the strobe markings. But for the price of a pizza, it's a steal. So, would you drop 500 Deutsch Marks on this? Back in the 90s? Let me know in the comments.